Welcome! In front of me I have Emporio Armani Connected, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Wear OS application. Also, you will need to connect your watch to the internet, and you will need to copy a Google account from your phone to the watch so you can use the Google Play Store on your watch. If you don't have the internet connection on your watch, you can connect it to the Wi-Fi network through the settings, and if you want to copy the Google account from your phone to your watch, you can do it through the Wear OS application. Okay, once you have everything, we can continue, and now we can wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the Google Play Store icon and tap on it to open the Play Store on your watch. And now we need to install a third-party application so we can download additional watch faces. So tap on search right here, tap on the keyboard or use the speech if you want to. I'm gonna tap on keyboard and type in Facer watch faces. And then tap on search. You should see this application on the list, Facer watch faces. Tap on it and then tap on this install button to download and install it on your watch. While this is installing on your watch, you can go to your phone and install the same application on your phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Open the Google Play Store right here. In the Play Store, tap on search, type in Facer watch faces, and you should see this application right here. Tap on the install button to download and install it. Let's check the progress on our watch. So let's reopen the Play Store right here. And as you can see, it's still downloading and installing, so let's wait. Okay, after the application is done installing on the both of devices, we need to open the Facer watch faces application on our watch at least once. So we can tap on the open button right here, or we can open the app menu on our watch, scroll through the menu, find the Facer icon and tap on it to open the app. So open the app. It's gonna be basically initializing, as you can see. Let's wait until it's done, then scroll down and tap on OK. Once you see this screen, you can close the app. Now you can open the watch face menu on your watch by pressing and holding on the current watch face like this. Scroll to the right, see this, find this option, see more watch faces, tap on it like this, scroll through the list and find the watch facer, or rather Facer watch face, my bad. So find it, it's right here, tap on it to add it to the list. Okay, once you add it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. At the beginning, it's gonna be black, there's gonna be no watch face, but we can open the Facer application on our phone now. So you can tap on the open button, or you can open it from the app menu, of course, right here. Once you open the application, scroll through the list of watches and find the Armani category and select the Armani Connected. Here select the watch faces or watch face styles you prefer. I'm gonna select this, and maybe this. Let's wait until the homepage is done loading. Okay, and here we have the list of watch faces we can install. And you have free ones, you need to pay for some of them. I'm gonna browse the free ones right here. We have 3 of them, as you can see. Tap on one to select the watch face you like to use on your watch. Of course, you can tap on the explore button right here to look for something more specific. Basically, you can browse a lot of watch faces. For example, you can find the free category. There should be one right here. Or maybe there's not. I don't see any, so never mind. But there should be like category 3 somewhere. I don't know, I can find it here. But anyway, find the watch face you like to use on your watch. For example, this one, select it, and once you select the watch face, you will see this page. And here you have this pulsating button, tap to sync watch face. Tap on it. As you can see, the watch face is being uploaded to our watch. And after it's done, it's gonna be applied on our watch. So if we wake up the screen, here we have our watch face. And you can, of course, change them by going back to this app and selecting something different, tapping on sync the watch face. And you can also switch between watch faces, basically the ones you have on the watch, or the custom ones by simply opening the watch face menu, tapping on the one or the facer one, depending on what you like. Like this. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.